I'm going to try an experiment with my new 12 string. This is Vian. It is my 25-year-old Seagull S12. Yeah, I know, when I shoot videos, you don't really see anything. It's because, do I really want you to have to look at me when I'm playing? I'm going to just try the chorus of King of Dreams. Let me check my tuning here. I'm playing this in drop D simply because I like the dynamics of it. This is going to be just the chorus of King of Dreams. Pardon me for making noise. I should at least show you the guitar. She's quite a beauty. She's, well, I'm pointing you at the ceiling. Let me just turn it around here. No, actually, I could just hit the stinking button and reverse the view. Oh, what the heck. Anyway, this is Vian. She is my beautiful 25-year-old Seagull. And I'm just going to kind of see how this is going to work. I'm playing with a strained tendon in my wrist, and it's raining and storming outside. And my nails could be shorter, but anyway, let's just see how it sounds. Alright, let's just see how that sounded. Suckage-wise, could have been worse. Let's see what we got.